Get your hair done, get your hair done,
Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and back with another hairstyle. Today, we're going to do voluminous high ponytail. Let's make our crowning glory prettier. Ready?
Magtampo, wag ka nang mag-worry, solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done in minutes, feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done in minutes, no tricks, just Hairfix. Get your hair done, get your hair done, get your hair done, get your hair done. Kahit anong klaseng hair, serve na tender loving care. Long, short, straight, or wavy hair, dapat lagi healthy. Wag ka nang mag-worry, solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done in minutes, feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done in minutes, no tricks, just Hairfix. Get your hair done, get your hair done, get your hair done.
So that's how you make an easy DIY voluminous high ponytail hairstyle with the help of Hairfix Keratin Stronghold Hairspray in 200 ml, and it's also available in 50 ml. These are exclusively available at Watson stores nationwide. For more hairstyle tips, follow Hairfix Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for you to be ready to wear your crowning glory.